Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to use the grain effect on this melting emoji. Select the ellipse tool and form a large circle in the center of your page. Color it to preferred color. Press the layer button and lock this layer so it doesn't move. Create a new layer. Select the ellipse tool again and form a slightly smaller circle placed slightly above the center of your large circle. Color this. Select the pencil tool and draw wavy lines connected to your small circle so it looks like it's melting. Press the layer tool and lock the melting outline as well. Select the ellipse tool once again and create a small line. Rotate this slightly and hold Ctrl-Alt and drag down to duplicate. Select the arc tool and draw a slanted mouth below the eyes. Unlock all layers and group. Select Effect on the top left of your screen, Texture, Grain. Use the following settings. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell.